morning, Earthlings. My friend Carmen invited me to come over to her house and watch her teach a class. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This way. Hi, Carmen.
Hey, Cher. Thank you for coming by.
Hey, I'm in Carmen's yard and she's going to show us something really cool. What are we doing today, Carmen?
Well, these are leaves that have been cast. They're rhubarb leaves that Mary over here so graciously donated so I can show her and the public how to do these.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so what I do, I always use a mask because this stuff is pretty bad for your lungs. So my mixture is 4 Portland cement scoops, and I use one of these. It doesn't have to be precise, you know, you can eyeball it. Where the magic happens is when you mix it, because you have to feel the consistency. Portland cement, which is nice and fine. It doesn't have sand in it. It's just the cement in that. Okay. 2 cups of quick creek.
You make a good editor, too.
I am a good editor.
Don't get away with anything.
I'm very trash can, so it's waterproof and they stay nice and dry.
Coolness.
Okay. Now
you got this bucket of dry stuff.
Now I got there. We gotta go back out there. I got the vermiculite out there. Sand.
Here we go.
Here we go.
There she goes.
Oh, there she goes. And what this is just basic play sand. Because you can find different types of sand. And then I put 2 full cups of vermiculite. Mix it nice and slow so you don't get any of the back, the dust or anything. So just do it nice and slow. And you'll feel it. It kind of settles the powder a little bit more because the vermiculite will weigh it down a little bit, and so will the sand.
Oh, it's very light. I can see what she means about the clumps, though.
Yeah.
Clumps in there. I think most of my artist friends are getting used to me shoving a camera in their face every time.
All right, this is an important piece for the mixture. Is the glue. This is the glue. I have not seen this on any other recipes either. So this is kind of like a trick to our trade here. So you want to mix it up just to make sure it's all nice and mixed. And I go 1,000, 2,000, which is probably more. You want to go slow with the water because then you have to add concrete, all right? If it's too mushy.
Okay.
So I usually add 2. And then I'll start kind of mixing it. Start spreading it evenly this way, outward. Okay? Just like that. It's not going to be too fat. But you just got to keep an eye on where you're at.
That's right, because it wants to be all consistently thick. So it doesn't dry funny. I have no idea.
So no. Oh, these are low spots here. So get it from here. No. Get it from your thick area and push it that way. Yeah. The same thing. Okay.
Where your murder in the beat.
Put it this way. It's
Well, it's always cool to learn how to do something new. Now that I can see her process, I have a lot more respect for her work. Anyway, until next time, I gotta go to work. Enjoy your yacht. It'll be a great day today. Only if you make it so.